Get ready with me, guys, because I'm going to the store. Okay, so I don't have a lot of time, so I need to get right to the thing. First, I need to brush my hair. Okay, give me a second. Time for the hairbrush. Do you like the ASMR? Okay, this is good enough. Okay, so first of all, I need my deodorant on. Okay, let me put this on, and then I also need to do my, what is it called? Perfume, lotion. Also, I need skincare because I have a pimple right here. No idea where that came from. I really have to hurry up because I can literally hear my mom holding her keys right now, getting ready to go. Okay, now I need my perfume. I only have a few minutes. Gotta hurry. My mom is so ready to leave whenever I'm not even ready. So I really hope that I can hurry up. She literally just came in my room and said she has to go start the car really quick. And I have to hurry up, she said. Oh my gosh. I'm in such a rush. All right, now I need my lotion. I accidentally poured way too much. I'm only doing my hands. I guess I did just drop it. That's okay. Anyway, I gotta hurry up. 1 second. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna have to deal with this being on my counter. Yep. So I need to get to the other stuff. All right. I guess I'll do whatever this is. Actually, first, I know it's not nighttime before I'm going to bed, but I just need it. I need all the extra skincare I can get. Oh my gosh. I am so upset. Like, I'm totally gonna run out of time because, like, my mom literally has already started a car. What do I do? I think it's helping. I can literally feel it burning. Now I need my other one. Now I need to find an outfit. Oh wait, I just realized I need my body butter before I find an outfit. It almost went right in my mouth. My sister just said that a kitten's trying to go outside. What the freak? Okay, now it's actually time for the outfit. My mom is literally rushing me. I need to find an outfit quick. Okay, so I'm gonna wear this top with some baggy jeans. Let me grab them. Alright, so I'm wearing this top, and now I'm gonna wear these sweatpants. Give me a second. Okay, now I'm in the bathroom because now I need to do my makeup. Of course, I cannot do a full face of makeup because I don't have enough time, but I definitely need to put on some foundation right on my pimple. Because there is no way I'm going out in public with a pimple right on my face. Okay, I need to cover up this pimple. I need to blend this. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like there's nothing there. It actually works. Like, look. It looks like there's nothing. Okay, now I definitely need all this contour. I'm gonna quickly blend this in. Okay, now I need to blend in all this concealer. Okay, now I need to blend my blush. Mascara. Lip gloss. That's done. Now I need to put on my shoes. Alright, guys, gotta go now. Bye!